Okay, we're
No,
today we're
no,
cooking
no.
and we're the best chefs.
We made floor pizza.
It was on the floor previously.
Flip that. No! My pizza!
I love doing that. Let me.
Let me cook my
What is
pizza.
this? Is this an onion?
That's an onion.
Can I wait? Can I put onion on the
Stop
pizza?
trying to replace my pizza.
No, I want to put onion on the
Dude,
pizza. I want to put onion on the pizza. Come
You
on.
can have that oven. I have to cook it.
Wait, where'd you get the dough?
It's in the fridge.
In the fridge. Do I have to like make the dough myself?
Perfect pizza. Holy crap.
Where is it? Do I have to make it?
Pizza.
Do I have to make the
The
dough?
dough is right there.
Oh, okay. It's in this. It's in this fridge.
Idiot, bro. What are you gonna make?
That works. I'm gonna make my own pizza. Where is the?
Come here.
Where the? Oh, the tomato sauce. No. Wait, where'd my? Did you steal my pizza? Okay, but wait, what do I do with this? How do I rolling pin this shit too?
Put it in the bowl.
What
put
bowl?
It in the pot. It's right there.
The
Next
pot?
to the onion. That's a pan.
I'm the best cook if you can
Yeah,
tell.
and then it literally spawns a spoon. It's gonna burn. Don't let it burn.
Oh yeah. I gotta put cheese on this. Give me my fucking pizza. Give me it.
Go fast.
My pizza.
Let me make a burger. What?
All right, put this here. I gotta go chop up the cheese.
Stop touching my burger.
Oh wait, my eyes itchy.
Your eyes are cheese.
Yeah, my eyes are cheese. You got a problem with that?
You can get that shit checked out. Where's the cheese?
What? No, I got it.
Block of cheese. Dude, that burger looks gross. Actually, this burger looks pretty good.
Wait, let me get. No, I gotta go get the onions.
I need some lettuce. Where's some lettuce?
Okay, looks about right.
I don't know if I could put tomatoes on it.
I'll get some potatoes.
You're cooking socks.
Hey, I dropped my potato.
Why do you have a potato?
Cooking pizza.
I can't. Here, you can have that. That's raw fries, bro.
No.
You can have a whole burger.
Oh yeah, this pizza's about to be awesome. Gotta go put everything in it. I gotta put everything in it individually
Put
though.
everything in the oven.
Yeah. I want your burger. Put it up there. Okay, put that here.
The oven.
Burger.
Put that in. Oh
yeah,
no,
okay.
no, it's cooking.
Wait, I gotta go get the onions.
Put everything in. Floor buns. I got these off the floor. No, don't touch it. Touch it. Let's wait for that. Ta-da!
Do you want to play? Do you want to play frisbee?
It looks like a tire, bro. Oh my god.
I'm not the best at throwing. I missed.
Clearly.
Burger frisbee.
I'm the best. My burger. Wait, watch this. Move.
Dunk it. Throw it.
LeBron.
Fucking bitch. Ugh. Fuck my cheese.
Oh, block my cheese.
No, my cheese. No.
Oh, rebound. Anthony Davis. Bro, I literally like just shaved my face and my mustache.
Whoa, what's in here? You close the door.
You closed the door. I didn't touch anything.
I would never close the door on myself. Can we make like
Hey, this looks like a burger patty.
Can we make a cake?
Yeah, here. I'll
These
try to make a
cookies?
cake. Here.
Or
Watch.
biscuit,
Put it-
whatever.
Watch this. Watch this.
Oh, that's buns. What am I doing? Where's the toaster
Wait,
at?
That's the same shit.
Where's the toaster at?
Look, that's the same shit, but just darker. Why did you put bread in the waffle maker?
I want waffle bread.
That's not how you make a waffle.
I don't even know where the actual waffles are.
I'll teach you how to make a waffle. You put some flour, some egg,
Some bread.
and then I don't fucking know. Hey, no, give me that. Bad dog.
Call me bad dog again, I dare you.
Then you mix it. Oh, that was too close to the garbage.
What if it went in? Throw it.
Oh, I
Throw
was
it over.
thinking- No. Oh, pass.
Oh yeah. You missed.
Oh yeah.
What if it went in? Bro! It's not my fault, I swear.
I'm pushing the garbage.
Oh, that's fun. I'm gonna make a nice steak.
That was my favorite bowl. I was just gonna make some pancakes. I mean, waffles.
Meatballs! We should make spaghetti.
Pancakes, actually. Huh?
We should make spaghetti. I got meatballs.
I'm pretty sure we can. I don't know how to make noodles.
I'm cooking a
Making
steak. I'm hungry.
How do we make noodles?
There's noodles over here. Gotta put them in hot
Gotta
water,
burn
I'm
your
guessing.
steak, bro. Oh, there's the noodles.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah, you should put them in water. Okay, I'm making a pancake. Okay, I'm making a waffle. Ow!
Wait, you forgot the secret
my lights just
ingredient.
turned off. No!
I can't.
Meaty
I
wobble,
can't.
meaty wobble.
I can't open it.
Oh, wait. You have to put it in for like twice? No! It's actually being cooked.
Meatball.
It has to be the
Bend
cooked
over.
parts, I think. You know what? You're bent over right now. Why are you bent?
I got the. Was that? Am I doing that right? Or no? I gotta put this in the pan, right?
I burnt my waffle!
Frisbee. Boo!
No, I want it. I went in it.
Go and get it.
Where's up?
Oh fuck! I'm gonna burn my. I'm gonna burn my meatballs.
Don't.
Anyway, I need
Don't burn your meatballs.
Wait, I need some sauce.
Hey, why would you do that?
I don't want it.
Fuck your fridge.
Oh yeah. Okay. So wait, what do I do with this? I put it in here, right?
Open the
Yeah.
waffle, 'cause there's a steak in the thing.
That-
Want your steak back?
That's shit.
Yeah, you wanna like it? You cook like shit.
I need to get a
Go
bowl.
in.
I burnt the sauce.
How do you burn?
I burnt the sauce.
Bro, I have to mix it. That's why I was going.
Not. I need to go get a
You
bowl,
have to get a plate.
a plate, whatever. Bowl, plate, same shit. Where
Get a
are the
plate.
plates?
I don't know.
I know I own this building, but like. Oh, the plates are right here. I'm stupid. Meatballs.
Oh my
Do
God,
they gotta be
yeah.
normal meatballs? They can't be. They
that
can't be
crispy?
like absolutely demolished. No, what? Fuck it. The next person who comes up, you're getting raw. You're getting fucking raw noodles. No, I'm so mad. Give me your pancakes.
No, that's my waffles.
Give me your pancakes. Mine.
No.
You don't get your
Stop
pancakes.
going. It's not pancakes. It's waffles.
Close enough. Yeah, yeah. Here, you know what? You can have this.
Get mine.
Do you want raw noodles?
That's just nood. Where's the sauce?
I forgot it. Ow! Bro, look at the kitchen.
And this was like like us like barely doing anything.
I know.
It's a perfectly cooked patty on the ground. Put it in the soapy water.
It's the size of a plate.
And it wait.
Order up.
Give me that. On a dirty plate, man.
Yeah.
No, come here. When you put it on a burger, it shrinks. Maybe not.
It's dirty.
Bro. Someone was like just calling me. Who the fuck is calling me?
Missed FaceTime call.
Oh, it's a group chat.
Is it that? Is it the one?
Added you in.
What?
This is that group chat I added you in today.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy. They actually believe that you're my brother.
That was insane.
There's a
For reference, people, we went into an army server. And I pretended to be his little brother, and I played as Diddy, and I got kicked immediately.
Help. Help.
Get your face out of the fire, the fryer, whatever.
I thought it was tasty.